creating a demon that they can't curtail. I think it's right, and anybody in his right senses will allow people that wants to live and enjoy this life to progress and move ahead. And what am I trying to say? If the country cannot be fixed, divide this country. Allow the Igbos go. Allow Oduduwa to go. Allow the northern mafias with their blood-sucking mechanism to continue to enjoy this. And at the end of the day, let the end justify the means.
Many years ago, some people came together. All of a sudden, at the end of the day, always saying that if they no one made them stay together, made them separate. Can you imagine with this type of video? I can win a light and the buy when I send the buy a lot on this country, Nigeria. Masigana in a war, Masigana in a crisis, Masigana. Everything in Nigeria has been weaponized. Agro weaponized, fuel weaponized. The common life and the mother weaponized. All light is weaponized. Sometimes you now wonder, okay, even in the people that can afford those solar, fuel, diesel, you go to make their life better now, based on you need the law, you give me one or two. What about those that cannot provide, that cannot have those things for themselves? And somebody on national TV now saying that this government is doing well. This government are not doing well. Let us tell ourselves the truth. Then Nezano onye ofe akwụ ya na nwanne anyị nwoke si na na-achụ anụ hatụgharịzasị na nwanne anyị nwoke na ụkwụ ya dịka ụkwụ anụ. Onye bidokwala the same thing nwanne anyị nwoke na-eme. Mee ya ọ dịka ya achụ ya mee ya arrest mee ya nke ọzọ. At the end of the day ọ fall into the game. The other guy put on a TV in Bosini was somebody they criticize this government. Or we to the highest level. That has to be one of the biggest dismarketing of this country ever. Where now for Zayaka Mari Haineme. Obulu na choko boda de makonyo bona no do. See hapo onyo bona kahanawa. A time came in during the time of Jesus. Someone bold and say, lose her, let her go. Lose her, let her go. Because Nigerian government lose when and do no sino natural. What on the chole bafamana lose when and do no sino natural. Do na fronanya. Do no in your position where it matters. Go and go for yourself. From president down to lowest somebody when a chamber. What on your Igbo head? And what on Igbo head? Custom ndi Yoruba, EFCC Yoruba, Police Yoruba, Military Yoruba, Nka Yoruba, Senate Yoruba, Vice President Hausa, President Igbo, ICPC ndi Yoruba. Just no strategically position one around the people who are willing to do things for him. I know we want to choke and buy Motana Katinebo. As where there is nonsense, there is still sense in it. That is why you have nonsense. You will learn to buy Motana Katinebo. Learn to carry your brothers along. These are some of the mistakes and the buy when we take listen or chiche me. Learn to carry your brother along. Ne Tinubu ne was send them money in them mad nolo. It say their history with Tinubu. And one of these people they have something to do with Tinubu before Obolo governor Lagos State, Nambo governor Lagos State. So he has somewhere and each of those positions on stationary for them. So he's a master strategist. Ndiba mutaking this part or ya them. And some of our people always learn to be loyal too. Dukwa loyal. But mother when it take you sigina ki we you kwa ki when you be na enwete 2000. E cholo ki wepu onya ki na enwete 4000 now ignore the 2000 onya na enye. Odoro that is one of the things that give some of our people. Biko no do. Si motake ne this part na aka nda no ka ima no ya de la yamma. Oya se ka nkwe mana biko nene this video one night nwoke me ka odekwan.
Emancipate yourselves from mental slavery. None but ourselves can free our minds. Have no fear for atomic energy, 'cause none of them can stop the time. How long shall they kill our prophets while we stand aside and look? Yes, some say it's just a part of it. We've got to fulfill the bull. Won't you help to sing this song of freedom? 'Cause all I ever had is redemption songs. All pirates, yes, they rob I, sold I to the merchant ships. Minute after they took I from the bottomless pits. But my hand was made strong by the hand of the Almighty. We forward in this generation triumphantly. Won't you help to sing another song of freedom? Realistically speaking, sincerely speaking, if Nigeria is to continue on this trajectory of the Northern Caliphate, creating a demon that they can't curtail, I think it's right, and anybody in his right senses will allow people that wants to live and enjoy this life to progress and move ahead. And what am I trying to say? If the country cannot be fixed, divide this country. Allow the Igbos go. Allow Oduduwa to go. Allow the northern mafias with their blood-sucking mechanism to continue to enjoy this. And at the end of the day, let the end justify the means. Let's see at the end of the day, who is he that cherish life that doesn't mean any other person bad rather than he wants to enjoy life? I want the international community to be aware that the Nigerian agreement at the moment is nothing but a blood-sucking mafia that is all about annihilating and killing silent voices that wants to just live a normal life. And what is causing this? This is actually caused as a result of the northern mafias promoting a kind of animalistic and a Stone Age ideology. And have they moved from that? They have not moved from that, because the cleric mafias that have created this demon that is eating everybody have not yet stopped. They are still preaching a kind of message that is all about religious differences and unaliving any other person that doesn't see things according to your own religious belief. And Nigerians, good Nigerians, cannot wait till these people unalive everybody before they progress. People want to live this temporary life. I'm begging on the international community to intervene, because I believe if I pray, heaven go hear my voice.